All right, here we go. Good luck. Buena suerte, everybody. We're going to roll the dice, see how many times we hit this randomizer. 2 boxes of Mosaic No Huddle football. I'm going to go 6 times. 1 and 6. So we're going to do teams first. All teams in. 49ers at the top. Vikings at the bottom. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cowboys on the top. Packers at the bottom. All right, on to the names. Tom B at the top. Louis T13 at the bottom. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Myself on the top. And JRT50 at the bottom. All right, let's see who everybody else has. All right, there we go. All right, 49ers, Ugly Nuggin, Bears, Ed Seed, Bengals, KG Fowler, Bills, Louis T13, Broncos, The Bus, Browns, Tom B, Bucks, KG Fowler, Cardinals, The Bus, Chargers, Fung, Chiefs, Renegade, Colts, Tom B, Cowboys, myself, Dolphins, The Bus, Eagles, Danny 86, Falcons, Ed Seed, Giants, Renegade, Jaguars, Chi-Town, Jets, Powell Z, Lions, G, Packers, JRT 50, Panthers, Louis T13, Patriots, Powell Z, Raiders, The Bus, Rams, R. Wilson 78, Ravens, Tabay, Redskins, Chi-Town, Saints, Sui, Seahawks, Tabay, Steelers, Louis T13, Texans, Ugly Nuggin, Titans, Powell Z, and Vikings, Tom B. All right, we'll give you a few seconds here to trade away and do whatnot, and then we'll start the break. Thank you again, everybody.